result SSLC bat ka HSSLC art stream kabalapan banada ka embos ha kaski thoding kalapan pau ba ki khynnah yele matric bat 12 na rilom Khasi Jaintia kila khamle bha ban ye ki khynnah na rilom Garo Hills hakandi ka kiti ka bamenta hakanam top 20 layo da ka khynnah na ka Sherwood school na tura na ka SSLC bat ka Larissa Lamin na ka Adventist Higher Secondary School kalawan ningkong ha ka top 10 HSSLC arts.
Ningkong man expect yo taba kamu man kama jo yo kamtu ma pas te man dayo pertuj na te man penyegi perlok nga tedang tip te oh sao kumena ningkong ko kublai wada amlang nga derap nga upoy hado hindi te hikaya le da yarap ki nga mana em tingkeli kam tu ma mana keli man em doubt sa kam tu te yarap ki nga like they're always there te wagi kabay le we em lang ba nga man da chamching kam tu for exam mana siaw te yama kam tu ta pentingan amat pentingan ko nga em lang ba ko nga te we yung wasan perlak saja. It's beyond my expectation that siya dahun stang tanado ba amat stang snem hikam tu kaya kajik kam tu kadya kumawan school kam tu the for exam man da kaya bon kanta for man school kam tu them bon kanta chisni kam tu the for exam man so kanta chisni. To everyone out there, my juniors, I will always say work hard for your goals. Even if you face many hardships through your journey, never give up and always pray. Keep God first. In your whatever you're doing, know that He'll always be there with you and always thank Him for all your achievements. As long as you work hard, you'll always bear the fruit of your hard work. I think the reason I took arts was mainly because I was not interested in science or like either commerce. My mind have always been in arts. It's like I think it's for me. Arts. Science or commerce. I don't think it's my cup of tea. So yeah, arts, and it's what I've always wanted. So that's the main reason why I chose arts.
We were so grateful to see the results, and I know that in a school it is a teamwork, and I would like to thank the parents of Larissa, and I would like to thank the headmistress and all the teachers who are working so hard to get these good results. And I thank God, and I thank all the wonderful students and teachers who help us to get these wonderful results.
This is you said this is the first time for you.
Yes, this is the first time that we are on the top like this. We have been top in different subjects, but on the top list, this is the first time that the school is getting like this. Larissa Lamin, she worked so hard, even from the high school time. She did well, but she was not on the top. But then she used to get letters, even in SSLC in different subjects. And she works very hard. She never missed the classes, and she never missed the homework. Whenever we give something to check, to write and check, she will always be the first one to submit. And I would say that God is good to her parents, and God is good to our school and to all of us that she could reach this level. And she tried hard, even from the time she was elementary and even high school. She was always in our school, and then she always get good grades, and because she worked so hard.
Kabawan baar balai haka SSLC kadai ka Jyoti Priya Batharji bat ka Tanushri Acharji na St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School Shillong haka HSSLC pad Evelyn Francisca Kriam na St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School Shillong bat Dana Meshwa Hinyota na St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong.
Believe. I'm so happy, and it's not that I just studied and just focused, but I concentrated on my extracurricular more as compared to studies also. Like it was balanced.
Like balance one.
Yeah. I even use social media. There was not an end. I was active day night, but then also I received this achievement. I'm so happy. This is not the end. I've received this, this top 3. This is not the end of my potential. I'm going to try hard to, get air also, like all India rank also. So, and I would like to thank them, my teachers, especially my sister. I was awake, she was awake. She used to tell me. She's a past student actually. She passed out with bright colors. I'm so happy for this. Yeah, thank you so much, you guys. Also. Thank you so much. I never wasted my time actually counting the hours, but sometimes I slept at 12. Sometimes I slept at 3. Some exams I did not sleep. Social science I did not sleep. I just went to give the exams and everything was fresh. Last minute study also helped. Like during the science exam, I was so scared that I did not finish reading, like revising all the chapters. So last chapter was from chemistry, the first chapter. So I just saw first line. Nothing came from that chapter. When I needed a time, I need break. Then I always scroll through reels, endless reels, okay. And then I felt free, like tomorrow is exam, what should I do? But then I said to myself that it's okay, calm down, you'll do good. We have studied the whole year, so you'll do good. Just go scroll through 2-3 reels, you'll feel okay. Then I saw 2-3 reels, and then I was fine. Not like any other, like I belong from a lower middle class, okay? So I will not like a child, a very aspiring child from a lower middle class to shut her or his dreams, to think that no, I belong to this class, so I should not aim high. You should aim high and then you will go to the goal, right? So don't stop your dreams, just go with the flow and study hard work. My future plans, as you asked, I want to clear the UPSC CSC exams and become an IAS officer or an IPS officer. I would be honored if I go to that, if I even get air. I'm thinking to get air rank, okay, UPSC exam, CSC exam, I will be very honored.
What's next for you then?
I said, where is Jyotipya? Because she's my best friend, no? BSF, forever. And when I saw Jyotipya, I did not see my name. I was like, I ignored. But after I saw Jyotipya, I was the happiest. Tears just fell and I was so happy. Then I saw my sister, hey, your name also is there. Check out. Then I was like, oh yeah. But Jyotipya, then I called her first. She's the first one that I called. She is also so happy. She was my inspiration. Her hard work was phenomenal. I'm so happy for this. Yeah, teachers also, my teachers, sister always motivated me. She called me, Tanushree, come, let's talk. Then she told me that, you have to balance everything, okay? Studies plus extracurricular. I also gave debate, elocution. I attended the elocution for Environment Day in Lady Hygiene Park. They gave prize and all. So I was not like only studies. I'm not that studious, that type of topper with, specs. But then also, I was not that kind always. I also like fashion, that's why. So I never just focused on studies, but I also focused on my extracurricular. Like I love debate, I love giving speech, elocution, and even singing, dance, art, everything. I have an art account also in Instagram, even my personal account. I was not like stopping everything. I went with the flow.
Habapha Shaki School Narilom Jaintia ki barung haka top 20 Kidai North Liberty Higher Secondary School KGPC Not Mingi Higher Secondary School Bat ka QC Springside Haka SSLC na ki RPR Hajar South Spa Prapusan ngot ki khynnah na Garo Hills District ki baya khunya ka exam tang hinyo hajar live spa arpulai ki ba pass bat khatsan hajar si spa henripuar kim shimla pass Naki hinyo tali ki district ha Khasi Jaintia Hills arpupra hajar hinyo spa khandai pusan ki khynnah ki baya khunya ka exam bat khandai hajar live spa henriu ki ba pass bat khandai hajar south spa prap khandai ki ba fail Katba ka pass percentage ha ka SSLC kalong sanpui point khandai pulai percent but habanu jor mention snam kalong sanpun real point khandai pun real percent haka HSSLC pat baro kiba pas kalong prapo point laipo percent haus nambal adap ka pass percentage kalong prapo point khat nyo percent kibaya khun yak exam ki dan arpusan hajar saus pa laipo nyo bad arpo hajar saus pa arpusan kiba pas hau news nam ka East Khasi Hills District kalayo ya ka pass percentage ka bahedu bat kalakan jo hinyo pulai point prap hunyo bat ka Southwest Garo Hills ka de ka baduna bat kalayo tang 400 point hinyo pulai percent haka SSLC exam haka HSSLC pat ka Eastern West Khasi Hills District kalayo khandai puway point 100% bat South Garo Hills ka baduna kiba pass pat yo tang 10 point arpulai percent Kikatu kat ningut ki khynnah bapas bha kilapen pau ya ka jingkemen badia thu ka jingjob kadai namar kalong testa ha ka rukom pulikot
to study 24/7 you just need to understand the concepts and study regularly.
Yeah, like schedule type.
Yes.
Schedule type, yes.
What do you plan to do next time?
I'm still thinking. I haven't thought about my future yet. I'm still thinking. I was just saying that it really took some efforts to reach there. Like, I thought I wouldn't make it, but then I thought, no, I have to try it. I have to try my best. My only message to the young ones is that just be regular and don't worry about anything. It's like you just have to understand and just be regular. It's nothing to worry about, and always remember to do your best and always remember to pray to God, for nothing can be done without God's blessings after all.
Tambah aku itu yang kau ais, aku ingat saya beli kami kepas sekolah baru kan bikin ayah rapi ngapa ngapit jalan dia nganum pun sih kan berbiasa baru sekolah kami kepas ni ketemu gelaru tak ketahui.
What is next plan?
Next plan minta teh pursue science stream minta teh, but ultimately teh kau akan clear ke UPSC examination. So sepedi tak boleh kapal.
Yeah, you are for science stream. What is your objective in life? What?
Objective in life, clear ke UPSC examination.
Okay. Boleh aim ka UPSC clear UPSC?
UPSC because may ibon lagi beo Abdul Kalam itu. Badok ngar bas try balong AS gitu kan. Dengar mo yung motivation dia tu. Tip yung pa pan. Ang try ay ka country lu kan. Ay ka effort ngar kan penyarap.